Hi dear. Welcome to SkillUp channel. In this brief tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser. So to do that, just click on window icon here. Then click on Settings. Click on Apps here. Then click on Default Apps. Select your favorite browser. In this tutorial I'm gonna set up Google Chrome as a default browser. Click on Set Default here. You are done. If you like this type of video, so please subscribe SkillUp channel. Give a thumbs up to this video, and share this video with you friends. Thank you. See you on the next video. Peace.